What's going on, guys? So, looking at this engine right here, it's still really crazy. By the way, thank you guys for all love and support, and for everybody that's hating on it, I apologize. This is something that I just decided is the best route, but we got the LS just chilling. The G is looking so freaking sexy. Look at her. Ooh. Oh, and look at the truck. You can see the truck out there right there. And oh yeah, Corona bottle. And we got the Z. Man, it is missing a heart. So I need to clean all of this up. Not in this video, but very soon I gotta clean all of this up and get that thing ready to go in here. But basically today we're going to be going down to my friend Jacob's house, and he has a 300ZX also, and it's white as well. But that's a different heart, I guess we're calling them hearts now, engine than my 300ZX. Either the TT engine or the LS. He has one different from both of those. He has a 1JZ swapped 300ZX, and it is so nice. So much time and effort has gone into the car, and we actually put the engine in last week and got everything like running. I'm not sure what we're doing today, but we're gonna go down there, say what's up to him, check out the car. I know a lot of you guys have been thinking about doing a 1JZ swap on your Z32, so I'll kind of run down some of the stuff that you need to get and that stuff, like a little bit. And if you guys want a longer video, comment down below and let me know, and maybe we will make a full video on, you know, how to set up a 1JZ in a Z32 chassis. But yeah, let's go ahead and get on the road. Originally, I was planning on taking the G35, but I live in Georgia, and we're having a little bit of an issue with the pipeline. So gas prices are absolutely insane. I went to get gas today, and it was like $4 a gallon for premium. So we're gonna be taking Haley's car, because Haley's car is so much better on gas, and it takes regular, so it makes more sense because it's about an hour drive to Jacob's house. So I wish I could take the G. I planned on it, but some Russian hackers want to, you know, mess up my my driving ability, because I do not want to be paying $4 a gallon and like driving as much as I do. So I'm gonna have to cut down a little bit, and hopefully it's all back to normal for this V8, because this thing is going to drink fuel like crazy. But yeah, let's go check out this 1JZ. We'll be there in 3, 2, 1. Yo, we finally made it. Oh my gosh, you're so blurry. What up, dude?
It's stupid.
He's having some issues, guys. So he went to take it for a rip, and came home to this.
Went for a rip, came back with drip.
Bro, this thing looks sick though, dude. This is what a 1JZ looks like in a 300ZX.
Half-ass. Half-ass.
Yeah, half-ass. Yeah, I love this thing. You put something else in there besides your hand? Dude, you just look so sad, dude. I feel so bad. This happened on the way here. Like, I was driving here to meet up.
I'm gonna take him for a damn test ride.
And now we have this. And so he's got a V-mount on his. So that's why the intercooler's right here, and then the radiator's below it. So basically we gotta take that out, all this off, and figure out where it's leaking from. Try to get this man back on the road. Yes, sir. All right, so after looking at it, we think that it's the cam seal right here. So basically we put everything back together. He's gonna drive it into the barn over here. This thing is looking, look at this. Definitely needs to repaint it, but there's no, it's literally touching.
Spray paint.
Fitment on point. Even back here is literally, you can't even get, you can't, it's, yeah, your back's trash compared to your front.
Needs alignment, the car's fucked.
Comment down below if I should get a big wing. I don't know, I've been thinking about it. Dude, this thing sounds so sick. Going down to the barn, baby. Barn build. You already know. We got some horses. This man's got horses and chickens. Little four-wheeler action. Oh, dude. So sick. Goals.
Seems like the walk of shame.
Yeah, I know, right? The horses approve, though. They came over. They're asking you what happened. Even with it leaking, you're still fucking going crazy. Wonder why it's leaking, huh? Yes, sir.
Versus me when he does that.
Jacob's getting embarrassed because I want to film him do stuff. Come on. Get up in there.
You know what? Give me the camera. You do it.
I'm camera guy today. I work on cars every day. Psych. Oh damn, that's hot.
Sorry.
It's fine. Oh, nice, nice, nice. Oh, this goes right here, right? Oh shit, my bad. I was trying to help out, dude.
Okay.
What goes there?
Intake. This thing.
Wait, are you sure that's not your turbo?
No.
This no. This why is this over there?
Just like that.
That goes. Oh yeah, that's right. And then you have the hood exit, right?
Yeah.
All right, so we think it was the front main seal right there because it was pooking out a little bit. Is that right?
Yeah.
It was pooking out a little
Yes,
bit.
sir. Pookie.
It was pooking out a little bit. So
Shout out to Pookie. Shout out to Pookie.
now it's time to put it all back together and
Now it's time to clean it up.
yeah, clean
All
it
the
up,
fresh
yeah.
powder coated shit got fucked up.
clean it up. Get in there. You said elbow grease.
You freak.
So we're gonna throw it all back together and then put some oil, right? Oh, bro. Bro, that's the second time you've done that today. It's literally the.
No, don't do that. Don't do that.
But yeah, so we're gonna throw it all back together and then put some oil in it and hopefully
Smoke out there.
it doesn't leak.
What?
Jacob, what did you do?
I bent the trigger wheel.
And now what is there a chance it won't?
It won't start.
But we're still gonna try it.
It's still gonna start though.
Still gonna start. Yeah, we fixed it.
It's
So-
still gonna start.
Yeah, it's gonna start. Hopefully. Fingers crossed. Fingers crossed. We can get the 1JZ started again, running. Look at, bro, I don't know if you guys can tell.
about your car?
Yeah. They know.
Once this starts fixed, we're gonna go start on his. I'm
Yeah.
not calling his car a turd.
Yeah,
This
but it
one's a
is,
turd.
but it is though.
Okay, then we're gonna start.
So yeah, basically once we get this thing fixed, then it's time for my car, hopefully. We'll see. Honestly, this car has definitely sparked up the interest for me to finish my car because the longest time his car was down, my car was down. It's like whatever, whatever. Then he's finally gonna get back on the road, and I don't want him to have to drive alone. You know what I'm saying? Like White Z's got to stick together.
Yes, sir.
He needs to wide body his.
Hell no.
He doesn't.
Stock
Want
body for the win.
to. Stock body for the win. Stock body for the win. No, wide body.
Hey,
Comment down below.
somebody tell Alex to lower his car.
Just because his car is really low. Like, look, I don't want these problems, man. Look at this. Look at how much tire
I need a
is on top
alignment.
of his fender. This thing is literally sticky.
It has brand new lowers on it and they're extended. It needs a.
Bro, look how close his brake is to his wheel. Like, it is so close.
Somebody needs to check how dirty the wheels are.
Pretty dirty.
The car hasn't even been drove and it's that fucking dirty.
Because it's been sitting.
Yeah, you right.
Because it's a junk car.
Yeah, it's a junkyard car.
Junkyard build. Yes, sir.
$1,500 turd.
Don't even lie.
It really is $1,500.
Yeah, for the
It
shell.
was an
How much you got? How much you got in here? How much you got in the engine?
3,000.
Yeah. Yeah. Sure. 3,000 my ass. Or like 9.
Maybe like 12.
So yeah, if you want to 1JZ swap your car,
Start a GoFundMe account.
yeah, it's expensive. Honestly, that is a big reason why I did not actually go with the 1JZ, because originally that was the plan, because he already knows them really well, but finding one is just not in the budget that I want to have for the Z, especially right now, just because I'm trying to get on the track. And yeah, Jacob's a big baller, big money. Big money. Big money. So yeah, we're gonna try to get this all back together and hopefully we can get it to start. All right, well, we got it all kind of back together. He's gonna see if it cranks. Feeling good now?
Oh, he's still.
Feeling good? No, I stopped for a minute because the thing was about to go in.
What thing?
What is that leaking now?
Well, it is leaking. Is that oil?
Is it? Yeah.
Right from that main bearing seal.
We didn't fix it.
Hey, but at least it cranked.
Yeah, it cranked. Yeah.
All right, well, now we're gonna look at some more things and try to figure it out. So, what are we gonna do?
So I'm gonna pull it back apart.
Pull it back apart. Oh, dude, we got a little pony back there. Dude, look at all these horses, man.
Oh,
Here, come on, show me the horses.
Oh my God.
Show me the horses.
Here we go.
Let me see the names.
Blondie, Moose, Molly. I forgot that was name. Oh, that was name's Duke. My bad. Mama. That's it.
Where's the other two?
They're outside.
But yeah, we got a lot of horses.
I'm like,
Sir, that's my favorite one right there.
fucking mini horse.
Mini horse for the mini car, mini JZ.
Okay, so this is what happened. We pulled it apart. I was thinking it was cam seal. It's not cam seal. It turned out to be front main seal. Pushed it back in because it blew out, but I guess when I installed it on the engine stand, I pinched the seal. So I'm gonna order a new seal for it and we should be back in business.
How long is that gonna take?
I don't fucking know. Call Aaron at Drift Motion.
But yeah, so that's it. I can't do anything about it tonight, but it is what it is. We'll be back over here later. Yeah? You wanna get it fixed? No? Probably not. My LS is gonna be done before his is fixed.
Until it breaks again.
Yeah. Damn, son. Dark. It's time to go home, dude.
Time to go home.
Later.
Yes, sir. Later.
Get your
See
car
you next
fixed?
weekend.
Yes, sir. Fucking this weekend. We're working on the LS, baby.
Oh, yes, sir.
You ready for it?
Yeah.
Are you actually?
Front main seal problems. We need to fix them.
Yes, sir. All right, later, man. I just wanted to tell you guys, thank you so much for watching. If you're new, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Haley's like super tired. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Peace out.